sixth green. Ricky Barnes, very late addition to the field early yesterday. As an alternate who just snuck in, he's taking advantage of this opportunity. 3 under for the championship. They're just 2 off the lead.